awesome Angel Bliss Bassinet and Bedside sleeper. Let's do it.
So here we are unboxing this nice Bassinet bedside sleeper. Now this was nice and neatly packed. Everything was pretty much wrapped, which is nice, and everything is already pretty much put together. So here's the bottom of your bassinet sleeper. You can put storage there, really nice and durable as well. You can put diapers, bottles, whatever you want down there as well. And you have wheels. You have 4 wheels that have a nice little locking mechanism, so you can either move it or lock it in place, and you can push this in all directions after you unlock the wheel. So that is also a nice, awesome safety feature. You got nice breathable mesh here, and it's very durable as well, and you can see through it. And here is your bassinet, and you can remove that nice little pad. It's nice and sturdy there, and even at the bottom of this, it's really nice and sturdy while even pressing on it, which is good. Now also, here's your zipper, which is pretty cool. You just unzip that on both sides, use the little clip there, and now I have easy access if I need to get into there. Overall, this was a very awesome product.